Today we are going to see exercise 4.41 remaining sums. We already completed 7 sums in the previous class. Now we are going to taking the 8th one. So let me see the 8th question. What's the question given here? Now let's read the question. Count the numbers between 999, so 999 and 10,000 subject to the condition that there are no restriction, no digits is repeated, no restriction, no digits is repeated, at least one of the digits is repeated. So listen here, no restriction means nothing, repeated will be allowed. No restriction means repeated will be allowed here. So let me see the 8th question. What's the question given here? Count the numbers between, count the numbers between 999 and 10,000 and 10,000, then subject to the condition, subject to the condition, that is no restriction. No restriction means, what is the meaning in no restriction? Repeated will be allowed. So second one, no digits is repeated. No digit is repeated. Then what is the third one given here? At least one of the digits is repeated. At least one of the digits is repeated. Okay? So let me solve the first one. So no restriction means repetition is allowed. No restriction. So what is the question given here? Count the numbers between. So listen here. No restriction. So what is the question given here? Count the numbers between 999 and 999 and 10,000 subject to the condition. So listen here, in between values. So now we are going to find out the how many digits value. There is no given how many digits here. In previous sums they given 3 digit, 2 digit, there will be mentioned here. So but in this sum there is no mention of how many digits here. So now listen here, what is the next value from 999? So they are given numbers between. Between means we are always taken next number of this one. So what is the next number of 999? That will be 1000. So that will be 1000. It consists 4 digits. It consists 4 digits here. So then comes into the final value. So last value, the last 4 that will be, here they are given 10,000 here. So here itself we are going to find out this one. So listen here. The last number of the 10,000 that will be, because they are given between 999 to 10,000 means before the value of 10,000 that will be 4 digit number, that is 9,999. So here itself. So now we are finding out this one. So it will be the 4 digit type of sum. It will be 4 digit type of sums because there is no given how many digit type of sums here. So because I find out what is the next value of the 999, that will be 1000, that will be also 4 digit. What is the before value of the 10,000? That will be 9,999. It will be also in a 4 digit. Now we are going to find out the method here. So here they are given no restriction. No restriction means I already told you repetition will be allowed here. So let me solve this one. So here it says no restriction. So count down the subject to the condition. How many values are given digits here? So now we are going to take in the digits means that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is a digits here. How many digits they are given here? We need to number between 999 and 1000. It has 4 digits. First we are finding out that it has 4 digits. So it has 4 digits. Now we are going to solve like this. So 4 digit table you are going to draw here. So the fourth place. The fourth place we are going to find here. How many ways we are going to find out this one? The fourth ways we are going to find out this one. Here will be, so if you are taking this one here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever this value. So now we are going to take in this one. 7 is a 4 digit. So now taking 7 is a 4 digit. It will be having here. How many ways it will be having here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many ways it will be having here? That is 10 places. So it will be having 10 ways. So then, so now comes into this one is a which place? Fourth place. Listen here, that will be unit place. If we write like this, right. The fourth place can be filled in how many ways? That is 10 ways. How many ways? That is 10 ways. Because we are having 10 ways here. So now comes into the third place. Third place can be filled in how many ways? So now comes into third. Third place it is also the same remains constant. We will be taking because there will be no restriction repeated will be allowed. It is also in same 10 ways. Now comes into second place. Second place. That is how many ways? So it is also consists repetition will be allowed here. So second case is also if you are taking this one whatever value you are going to substitute here, this one including 0 here. So it will also having 10 ways here. Now comes into first place. There is a twist in the question. Here itself we are having 0 here. The first place will be not comes into 0. So now we are going to neglect this 0. What is the remaining ways here? It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this one will be the first place will be having a 9 ways. How it will be possible? Because first place will be should not come 0 here because it will be in a 4 digit value. If you are putting 0 means you already know the concept. Okay, let me solve the remaining sums. So now we are going to multiply this one by using the fundamental principle, that is 9 into 10 into 10 into 10. That is the answer for this one. That will be 9,000. The answer that is 9,000. So let me solve the no digit is repeated. Repetition is not allowed. No digits is repeated. Now we are going to find out this one. No digits repeated. So what is the value are giving us? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 here. Now comes into table. So we are having 4 digits. Now we are going to solve like this. Here now we are going to find out the fourth place. Now we are going to find out the fourth place here. Fourth place can be filled in how many ways? It will be easy. You have to know 10 ways. Repeat. No digits is repeated. Repetition is not allowed. It will be not starts with 0. We already knows. So let me cancel this one. What is the remaining ways here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ways. How many ways here? 9 ways. So now comes into second place. Now taking this one 3. So sorry, first place. Now I am taking 3 will be the first place. Now comes into second place. Now comes into second place can be filled in how many ways here? So So here we are going to no repetition allowed here. 0 will be we already in this way we are taking this 9 will be because the second place you need to apply the 0 here. So second place you are going to apply 0 also will be the countable including 0. So now we are taking this one. Here we are taken already we are taken 3 here because no repetition will be allowed here. Now cancel this 3 here. So how many ways here? There will be 9 ways. The remaining ways that is 9 here. Now comes into third question. Third place can be filled in how many ways here? So we already taken 3. So now we are taking this one. Second place will be. So second place will be our taking this 0 means. So second place we are taking 0. So now comes into the third place. We already taken 0 and 3 and 0 here. Repetition is not allowed here. Now cancel 3 and 0 here. So what is the remaining ways here? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ways. How many ways? That is 8 ways. Now comes into fourth place. Fourth place can be filled in how many ways here? So fourth place will be or taking this will be 4 means. So now neglect this 4 here. So what is the remaining ways? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 ways here. Remaining ways that will be 7. So now we multiply this one. Now using the fundamental principal method, that is 9 into 9 into 8 into 7, that is 4, 5, 4,536 here. 4,536 here. So next condition, what is the third one given here? At least one of the digits is repeated. At least one of the digits is repeated. At least one of the digits is repeated. So what is the required number of numbers? So the formula, the total number of 4-digit number minus number of 4 digits number when no digit is repeated. When no digit is repeated. So let me solve our total number of 4-digit number. We are already find out the total number of 4-digit number, that is 9,000 minus number of 4-digit numbers when no digits is repeated, that is 4532. The answer will be 4,464. 4,464. So what is the answer you are getting this one? 4,464. This is the answer for sum. So let me solve the 10th one. So 9th one is a homework for you. Let me solve the 10th one. Let's read the question. To travel from place A to B, there are two different bus routes, that is B1, B2, two different train routes T1, T2, and one air route, that is A1. From place B to place C, there is one bus route. So there are 3 route ways here. So 10th one, the solution. Getting this one. How many routes? A, B, and C here. So how many ways here? From A to B. From A to B. Listen here. From A to B there are two different bus routes. That is B1 and B2 here. This one is a B1. This one is B2. Then what is it again? Two different train routes. Two different train routes comes into two different train routes. That is T1, T2 here. Then and one arrow and one arrow, that is A1. One arrow, that is A1 here. Now comes into from place B to C. From place B to C, there is one bus route, say B1 dash. One bus route. This one is a one bus route B1 dash here. Then two different train routes. Two different train routes. That is T1 dash and T2 dash. T1 dash and T2 dash. That is T1 dash and T2 dash. So then one arrow, that is one arrow, that is A1 dash. One arrow, that is A1 dash. So find the number of routes of commuting from place A to C via place B without using similar mode of transportation. Without using similar mode of transportation. Just you are writing like this. B1 T1 dash, without the translation, that will be B1 will be goes into like this. B1 it will be goes into two ways here. So write like this. B1 T1 dash, B1 T2 dash. First condition will be over here. So what is the question they are asking here? Find the number of routes of commuting from place A to place C via C. From place A to C here via place B. So without using similar mode of transportation. Without using similar mode of transportation. So the possible choice of number of routes computing from A to place B via place without using similar mode of transportation. That is, let's comes into the B1 value. B1 will be goes into A1. So they are given in the B1 two different trains. One arrow B1 will be combined with A1. One bus route, one bus route, one arrow. Okay, then comes into the B2 here. So then comes into B2 here. B2 transported into the T1 dash. B2 transported into the without similar transaction T1 dash. So here itself we are writing in the bus route B1. So then what is the remaining one? It's B2 A1 dash. Stop it. So listen here. So here it's a B1 dash here. B1 A1 dash. Listen here. What is the question given? Without using similar mode of transaction. So B1 will be bus route. Bus route will be traveling to the train route. Bus route will be B1 will be transferred to the T2 dash. B1 will be transferred to the A1 dash mode of transaction. So now comes into B2. B2 will be T1 dash. Then you have to write like this: B2, comma T2 dash. Then B2, comma A1 dash. So then now comes into the T1. T1 will be goes into B1 dash. Mode of transaction T1, comma B1 dash. T1 mode of transaction, that is A1 dash only, because train will be similar to train no mode of transaction. It will not using without similar mode of transaction. That's why we are using the another way of transaction. So T1 let me solve the T2, comma that is B1 dash, then T2, comma A1 dash here. So now comes into the A1 here. So that is A1, comma B1 dash, A1, comma T1 dash, then A1, comma T2 dash. How many number of routes here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Number of fruits, required number of fruits, that will be 13 here. Required number of fruits is 13. Required number of fruits is 13 here. So, okay, let me solve the very easy sum this one. So, let me solve the 11th question. So, what is the question given here? How many numbers are there between 1 and 1000? Both inclusive. This is the question. Both value will be inclusive. How many numbers are there between 1 and 1000, both inclusive. Both inclusive means 1 and 1000 will be inclusive here, which are divisible neither by 2, which are divisible by 2, neither divisible by 2, neither divisible by 2 nor by 5 here. So how many numbers are there between 1 and 1000, both inclusive, which neither divisible by 2 nor by 5 here. So what is the digits values here? What are the digits we are taken here? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9 will be taken here. So numbers which are neither divisible by 2 nor 5 should have 1, 3, 7, 9 in the unit place. So now we are going to take it like this. First we are going to solve the given digits, that is given digits 0 to 9 here. So now we are going to take the numbers which are divisible by neither divisible by 2 nor by 5 here. If it will be divisible by 2 means you have to take in 2, 4, 6, 8 only. 2, 4, 6, 8 only. So now we have to take a divisible by 2. Divisible by 2 means you have to take in this one. 2, 4, 6, 8 here. So if you are divisible by 5 means you have to take in like this 1, 3, 5, 7, sorry, 1, 3, 6, 9. 1, 3, nor by 1, 3, 7, 9. What is the odd numbers here? That is 1, 3, 7, 9. Because neither divisible by 2 means the value will be divisible will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 1 only divisible by 2 here. Nor values that will be 1, 3, 7, 9 or the one digit numbers which are neither divisible by 2 nor by 5. 1, 3, 7, 9. There are the 1, 3, 7, 9. There are the one digit number which are neither divisible by 2 nor by 5. It will be not divisible by 2 and 5. So the 1, 3, 7, 9. So write the condition here. Which 1, 3, 7, 9. Which or one digit of one digit number which are neither divisible by 2 nor by 5. So how many digits this one? That will be 1379 is a required one digit number, that is 4 digits here. Required one digit number equal to how many digits? That will be 4 digit values. So let me see the 2 digit number. Let me comes into the 2 digit number here. So 2 digit number means we are taking this one. So now comes into 2 digit number method. Because it will be a 2 digit number only, because we are having required our digit number, that will be 4, so it will be 2 digit number. So let me take like this. The unit place can be filled in. The unit place can be filled in how many ways? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it will be the 2 digit number. Now comes into 2 digit number. Then we are move on to the 3 digit number. First we are going to find out the 2 digit number. What is the unit place here? Unit place we are having, that will be 1379. How many ways? 4 ways. So unit place. So now I am taking this one 3. So whatever it is, we are having this one. Because this one is neither divisible by 2 nor by 5. The 4 digit way, now we are taking this one. How many ways here? Unit place. The second place can be filled in. Filled in how many ways? That is 4 ways. Because the values are 1379. So 1379 here. 10th place and this place. First place can be filled in. The first place can be filled in how many ways? First place can be filled in how many ways? What is the values I have given here? What is the digits are given here? That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 here. So the first place no need to put 0 here. You have to neglect 0 means what is the remaining ways here? That is 9 here. How many ways? That will be 9, 7 or 10, 7 or whatever it is. So it will be you are having 9 ways. How many ways? 9 ways. So now we are going to multiply this one. 9 into the required number. That is 9 into 4, that is 36. 9 into 4. Required number of 2 digit. Required number of 2 digit numbers equal to, that is 36. What? 2 digit numbers, that is 36. Let me find out the 3 digit number. Let me find out the 3 digit number. So listen, comes into the 3 digit number. So 3 digit number means you have to take draw the one more table. So here itself we are having third place, second place, first place. Because we are having 3 digits means we are having 3 places here. Can be filled in how many ways? Okay. So let's come to that. What is the value here? That will be 1379. This is a neither divisible by 2 nor by 5. We are having 5. This will be third place. Will be you are having 4 ways here. So 4 ways here. So this one is a ways. 4 ways here because 137 and 4 ways. Then comes into second place. Then comes into second place. What is the remaining values here? So second place will be comes into including 0. Second place will be comes into including 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 here. So second place will be including 0. This one is will be the, you have to take it like this, 100 place can be filled in 9 ways excluding 0. 10 places can be filled in 10 ways. Okay. So this one will be, consider here, this one will be including 0 because second place will be applying 3 digits. No need to problem in the 0. Now we are getting the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0. Totally how many ways here? That will be 10 ways now. Taking this in 7 ways. So it will be repetition will be allowed here. Repetition. Listen here, repetition will be allowed here. So now comes into first place. First place, we have to neglect 0 here. As usual, same concept. Neglect the 0 here. What is the remaining ways here? That is 9 ways. I am taking just 4. Whatever it is. Okay, this one will be having 4 ways, then 10 ways, then 9 ways here. So now I have to take like this 4 into 10 into 9. That is 10 nines are 90. So 90 into 4, that will be 360. So 9 4s are 36, 36 into 10, we are getting 360 here. Now we are going to find out that there is only one 4-digit number, that will be 1000. So what is the question given here? Only one 4-digit number, but it is divisible by 2 and 5. Here, the only one 4-digit number only given here. Only one 4-digit number, that is 1000. Only one digit number is 1000 here. Is divisible by. It will be divisible by 2 and 5. It will be divisible by 2 and 5. The required number of using fundamental principle. The required number of using fundamental principle means whatever values you get. The first one will be you are getting 4-digit value. You are finding out 4-digit value. Then after that you are getting this one 2-digit value, that is 36. 3-digit value, that is 360 here. So now we are going to add three values. Add these 3 values. You are getting the answer, that is 400. How many? Required number using fundamental principle of addition. So required fundamental principle of using addition method. You are getting this one 400 here. So what is the question asking here? How many numbers there between 1 and 1000, both inclusive, which are divisible neither by 2 nor by 5? The only one 4-digit number is 1000 is divisible by 2 and 5, that will be 400 times it will be divisible. Okay, so you understood, children? Let me solve the 12th one. So what is the question given here? So no need. Okay, let me solve the 12th one. What is the question given here? How many strings can be formed using the letters of the word lotus? How many strings can be formed using the letters of the word lotus? The word lotus. So what is the question given here? Either start with L or end with S. Either start with L or end with S. Or end with S here. Now I'm going to solve first one. So next one, neither start with L or ends with S here. So first either start with L or end with S here. So let me write the. So how many letters in the lotus? There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters. So we can 5 blocks. Draw the 5 blocks here. So what is the first condition? Either start with L or end with. Now first we are going to find out the starts with L. Either starts with L here, the L value that will be 1 here. So L will be starts with L means there will be 1. One letter only we are having here. What is the remaining base here? The first value we are having 1 base, that will be L will be starts with 1. What is the remaining values here? There will be 4 base, then 3 base, then 2 base, then finally 1 base. Okay, 1 base. Because we are taking L will be starts with L meaning it will be take 1 way. First one will be taking 1 way. Okay. So second will be what is the remaining? There will be 4 ways. So now we are taking this one. What will be 3 ways? Then 2 ways. Then you are getting 1 base here. So let me multiply this one, because since the word starts with L, the remaining 4 boxes can be filled in 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. By way using the remaining letters, that will be OTUS. What is the remaining letters? OTUS. That's why you are applying 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Let the number of words starting with L, that will be number of word starting with L. That is 1 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that will be 24. 4, 3, 12, 12 into 2, that will be 24. Let's come into that. Here also the remaining 4 boxes can be filled. That will be remaining 4 values that will be filled with ends with S. Now comes into the table ends with S. So this one will be starts with L will be over. Now comes into ends with S. Now ends with S. Ends with S here. So this one will be ends with S. So here itself ends with S means the word, the letter will be ends with S here. What's the remaining values? 4 values. L O T U. So 4, then write 3, then 2, 1. So it will be because it will be ends with N value will be comes into reverse here. So it starts with L means it will be goes into forward. So ends with S means it will be comes into backward. 4, 3, 2, 1. So let me multiply this one. Same answer will become here. So 1 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that will be 24 for this one. So number of words starts with L and ends with S, or 3 into 2 into 1, that will be 6 here. So number of words ending with S, that will be 24. Number of words starting with L, that is also 24. Number of words starting with L and end with S. Number of words starting with L and ends with S. Number of words starting with L, ends with the remainders of common here, that will be 3 into 2 into 1. 3 into 2 into 1, that will be. So listen children, they are given number of words starting with L and ends with S. Number of words starting with L and ending with S here. So write like this. L and S will be gone here. So write like this. What are the 3, 2, 1 will be remaining values here. 3, 2, 1. So what is the remaining values here? That is 3, 2, 1. Because 1 will be gone, it will be gone. So what is the remaining value? 3, 2, 1. So now writing 3 into 2 into 1, that is will be 6 here. Now using the probability formula. We are going to be using the probability formula, that is either starts with L and ends with S. That is, we are using the probability formula, that is n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Minus n of A into A. N of A will be, let us start with L, that will be 24. N of B, that will be ends with S, that is also 24. N of A intersection B, that will be either starts with L and ends with S, means you are getting this one 6. So the here will be 48 minus 6, you are getting 42 here. So now we are going to find out the neither method. neither starts with L and nor ends with S. Neither starts with L and neither starts with L and ends with S. Ends with S here. Now we are going to find out this one. So we already knows how many neither starts with L and ends with S here. Now, so listen here. What is the question asking? Neither starts with L and nor ends with S. Neither starts with L and nor ends with S here. Now we are going to write like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many letters are here? Lotus will be 5 letters here. Now write like this: 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So now we are getting this one. 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is 120. Using the fundamental principle, you are getting 120 here. Now we are going to find out the neither starts with L and neither starts with L, starts with L and nor ends with S here. So total number, this is a total number minus number of words, either starts with L and ends with S. Starts with L and ends with S here. So here total number you are getting 120. So number of words either starts with L and ends with S, that will be 42. 120 minus 42, that is 70. 120 minus 42, that is 70. This is the answer for sum. Okay. Thank you children. Remaining sums we see in the next class.